I don't know what you're waiting for. Opportunity doesn't knock very often, but when it does, you got to take advantage of it. Well, here we are in Doral, Miami, and we're going to show you how to make more money than you've ever made before in your life. So come on, let's go check it out. Hi, this is Chris Lavin with Xtreme Polishing Systems. We're here at our lovely Doral store, which is in Miami, Florida. And I did a little excerpt on our Pompano store. And for the people that are out there that are tired of working for people that want to get into the distribution game, I want to show you what one of our other stores look like. There's 62 of our stores now nationwide and up in Canada. This one here is Miami. This store's been here for over 3 years, so it's a mature store. It generates a lot of revenue every day, every month, like clockwork. These customers continually walk in your door and continually buy your product because it's unique chemistry compared to the other stuff that's on the market. So if you are looking for a business, okay, and you don't want to start something from scratch, we have the magical formula that works, and we're going to show you how to make more money than you've ever made before in your life. So come on, let's go check it out. Well, here we are in Doral, Miami. It's the international city of Florida, and I love Miami. Why? Because there's dense population. And this is one of our better stores here in South Florida because there's so many people here, so many garage floors, so many concrete floors that need to be coated, right? And this here is a wonderful store run by Louis and Kevin. They're here on a regular basis every day. They see the same people every day. We have a great loyalty reward program. And I want to take you and just kind of show you like around the whole store so you can kind of see what it looks like and feels like. So if you're sitting there thinking about like, hey, you know what, this guy probably has a pretty good cookie cutter business for me and I want to make more money, but you have to have access to $200,000. We have a business plan already put together. If you need an SBA loan or if you need a loan from the bank, we can provide you with a very in-depth business plan that you can show to somebody and you'll probably get financed pretty easily. Anyways, this is a little front of our store. We have our concrete genie. We have our Xtreme vacuum. This is very popular for the new beginners. They need a concrete grinder. The Genie has been around since 2010. It's an amazing little machine. We sell a lot of these every month, and if you keep them in your store, they come in impulse buy once in a while because they need a new grinder. They just buy it right there and then. You have all these wonderful samples, right? We have the beautiful sample racks that you're gonna have in your store. You're gonna get a dozen of these in your store. These are basically 18 inches across, so you need 12 of them. And you're gonna have all the colors of the rainbow so the customers can see the different colors of pigments that you offer. And you have everything. This is a superstore, right? So a superstore means you can get everything at one place. You don't have to go to Home Depot, you don't have to go to Lowe's, you don't have to go to Sherwin-Williams. This is everything that you need. We have the Fusion Primer in case you can't grind. You can't get the grinder into the area, you can spray the Fusion Primer down. We've got Quick Seal, we got the T2000, the T200, all the different vinyl flakes from Torganol. We got the Longo packs, which are basically the vacuum cleaner bags that you have. These are your shoes. This is what the epoxy guys use when they're installing. They just kick their shoe right into that. Lots of different resins. We have the maple syrup, we have the Epic 100, we have the Rock Hard USA. Best frickin' epoxy you can possibly buy, especially if you're doing metallic floors like this. We have another Genie here. Guys, we have 2 Genies inside the store because people buy grinders. They need grinders because they can't do their job without grinding the floor. And the last thing you want to do is have to rent a grinder from Home Depot when you can just own one. All your different ancillary items, all your diamonds for the bottom of the different machines out there, different rollers, different microfiber pads, different sprayers, different grinders, different shrouds, right? We have everything that you need. And if you get a little hungry, every one of our stores has our Amish blue popcorn with our organic coconut oil. Organic coconut oil, right? And you're gonna make your popcorn fresh every day and provide it to your customers. Popcorn is good, brings back memories of childhood. And you know what, if the guy's gotta wait 5 minutes because there's a couple people at the register, he can feed his face with some popcorn. Xtreme Hard Densifier, we have Xtreme Shield, we have different sealers. The SACT, we have solvent-based and water-based. Once again, pigments. We have all the different glow-in-the-dark pigments, the radiant powder. These are all glow in the dark. They're amazing. All these are powdered pigments. You're gonna put these into your A the night before, or you can put them into your B, either way. All your different dyes from Ameripolish, Color Solve, acid stains from Chemico, sealers from Chemico, all your measuring buckets, everything that you need is right here, right? So when you come in here, when the customer does, they're gonna walk around your store, they're gonna see what you have, and they're gonna buy more material from you. So this is a cash business and a business that takes a lot of credit cards. We do not extend billing terms, and we do not take checks. You know, for the first year, you're gonna be doing roughly about 700,000 is the average for all the stores for the first year. Second year, you're coming close to the $1 million level. And by the third year, you're normally doing somewhere between 1.3 and 1.5 million. The footprint of this store is a little bit bigger than the one we have in Pompano. You know, the footprint is only between 1,500 and 2,500, but when you're down here in Miami, there's not a lot of space available, right? We liked it that it was close off of the expressway, near a lot of tile stores are here, right? So a lot of flooring contractors are in the area. It's easy on, easy off of the expressway. You don't want to be buried in the cornfields. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I mean, so I would have to say that I don't know what you're waiting for. Opportunity doesn't knock very often. At least it hasn't knocked on my door very often. But when it does, you got to take advantage of it. Call the number below. Okay, my name is Chris Lavin. I'll be more than happy to steer you in the right direction and get you making money more than you've ever made before in your life, because epoxy will change your life.
Epoxy will change your life.